How's it going, everybody? Hope y'all are doing well today. So I need to make a circle cutting jig. I need to be able to cut out a circle, obviously, and then cut out basically a half round in another section of wood and have those two pieces meet up as perfectly as possible. So I wanted something that was adjustable, hopefully that I can sneak up on a cut if need be. I'm getting the overall idea from Chris over at Chris 2 Fix's channel. I always want to say Christo Fix. I'm sorry, Chris. I can't tell which way it goes. But anywho, I'm going to take his idea, make a little adjustment to kind of make up my own, and hopefully it works out. All the materials that I'm going to be using are some 3/8 all thread, various 3/8 nuts, coupling nut, I believe it's called. Another standard nut, and then of course a bearing. My only concern was the inside diameter to meet up with the 3/8 all thread, and of course some scrap wood to come up with everything else so that it will meet up with my trim router. So let's get started, and hopefully this all works out. see if we can put it together and see what we got. May take a while. Now that's good enough. I made another one off camera. I think I'll just epoxy that on there. Other than that, we're about ready to make some cuts. Now for a test cut. So the way this works is you're going to have a point in the center of the circle that you're going to want to make. I know you can't see it, but I have little crosshairs right here. You take the bottom round piece, adhere 2 pieces of double-sided tape, take a drill bit that's the same diameter of that and insert it down the center. And that way you're able to line up dead center on your mark. Press down your piece, get that nice and secure, and now you're good to go. And then obviously spin this to whatever diameter circle that you want to make. I'm just picking a random one. But if you need to fine tune, back here I can take this and just rotate it, and that will move it in or out just a little bit in either direction that you want to go. So let's make a circle. Well, there you go. I think this one's going to work out beautifully. Again, want to thank Chris for the inspiration on this. Again, works great. I love it. The added benefit to take off your centerpiece and have no hole in the center of your circle is, as I said, a great benefit. For my needs, for my future project, being able to fine-tune this and sneak up on a cut. I'll probably throw up a picture or an illustration showing what I'm talking about, but I need to, again, cut out a half round in one piece of wood and in a round shape in another piece of wood and meet those up perfectly. So again, being able to sneak up on that, I think is going to come into play. One small design flaw on my end, I think I made this handle to turn it a little too big. It was kind of getting hung up on the piece of wood as it was moving on around the circle. Not a big deal. If anything, I can cut it off and just do something smaller. No big deal there. So other than that, I think that's going to do it for this video. I want to thank y'all again for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you know what that thing's called, and that bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. Thanks. Bye.